Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching Grade 9 Mathematics Chapter number 3 Coordinate Geometry Part 1. Points discussed in this video: Cartesian System, NCERT Examples, NCERT Exercise 3.2 and 3.3. Cartesian System. We have already learned number line in chapter number 1. This is a one-directional representation of an object. Two-directional representation is represented with two axes, horizontal and vertical axis. Horizontal axis is x and vertical axis is y. The point where the x and y axis meet is known as origin. The representation of the two axes on a plane is called Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or x and y plane. The axes are called the coordinate axis. Y-axis is also called ordinate and x-axis is also called abscissa. A coordinate is represented in x, y form. First you represent the x value, then the y value. The coordinate plane is divided into 4 quadrants. The first quadrant consists of both x and y are positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, the x is negative and y is positive. In the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. From the figure, complete the following statements. The abscissa and ordinate of the point B are, abscissa means x, so it's 4. Ordinate is y, that's 3, so 4, 3. The x and y coordinate of point M are, x is -3 and y is 4. So -3, 4. The x and y coordinate of point L are, x is -5 and y is -4. So -5, -4. The x and y coordinates of point S are, x is 3 and y is 4. So 3, 4. Y is -4. 3, -4. Write the coordinates of the point marked in the figure. So A, it's on x-axis, so y is 0. So when y is 0, x is 4. B point, it's on y-axis, so x is 0. And C point, it's on x-axis but negative, so -5, 0. And D point, it's on y-axis, negative -4, but x is 0. And E point, it's between 1 and 0. So it's approximately 2/3, 0. Exercise 3.2. Write the answer of each of the following question. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in Cartesian plane? Horizontal line is nothing but horizontal axis. That's nothing but x-axis. And vertical line is nothing but y-axis. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? The name of that part is quadrant. Because when these two lines join, they form 4 quadrants. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Origin. Only at this point, x and y axis intersect. From figure, write the following. The coordinate of B is, point B, x is -5 and y is 2. So -5, 2. Point C is here. So x is 5 and y is minus 5. The point identified by the coordinate minus 3 comma minus 5. So that's in third quadrant. So there are 2 points in third quadrant. But which is there in minus 3 comma minus 5 is E. And 2 comma minus 4. So it's fourth quadrant. So it is G. The abscissa of point D is nothing but, abscissa means x coordinate, which is 6. Ordinate of H is y coordinate, that's minus 3. The coordinate of point LR, it's on y axis, so 0 comma 5. The coordinate of point MR, it's on x axis, so y is 0, x is minus 3. Locate the points 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, minus 3, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 5, minus 3, 6, 1 in the Cartesian plane. So 5, 0 is on x-axis. This point is 5, 0. And 0, 5 is on y-axis. And 2, 5 is here. And 5, 2 is here. And minus 3, 5 is here. And minus 3, minus 5 is here. And 5, minus 3 is here. And 6, 1 is here. I hope you can see 6, 1. Note the position of x, y is different from the position of y, x. The pair like x, y is known as ordered pair. If x, y is equal to y, x, then x is equal to y. Plot the following ordered pair in the Cartesian plane. First ordered pair is minus 3, 7. So minus 3 is here, 7 is here. This is minus 3, 7. The next ordered pair is 0, minus 3.5. It's here. 0, minus 3.5. Minus 1, minus 3. It's here. Minus 1, minus 3. 4 and 4 is here. 4, 4. And 2, minus 3 is here. 2, minus 3. There 2, minus 3 is. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the following minus 2, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and minus 3, minus 5 lie? Verify your calculation by locating them on the Cartesian plane. First, let's locate them on the Cartesian plane. So minus 2, 4. So x is minus 2, y is 4. 3, minus 1. minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 1 comma 0. And 1 comma 2. So verify your answer by locating them. Now we have to write the quadrants and axes. So only minus 1 comma 0 is on the axis. It's on x axis. And 1 comma 2 is in first quadrant. Minus 2 comma 4 is in second quadrant. Minus 3 comma minus 5 is in third quadrant. And 3 comma minus 1 is in fourth quadrant. Plot the point x comma y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of measure distance on the axis. X, y. So minus 2 comma 8. So x is minus 2 and y is 8. Then it's minus 1 comma 7. This is minus 1 comma 7. Then it's 0 comma minus 1.25. 0 comma minus 1.25. Then it's 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. So we have plotted it successfully. Thanks for watching. Meet you soon with a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below. For getting my latest videos, do press the bell icon. Bye. Meet you soon.